In this video, I'll show you how to cash a check in PayPal using the mobile app. First, open the PayPal app and log into your account. PayPal says the Cash a Check feature is available in the app for personal accounts and for certain individual or sole proprietor business accounts with a PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, so this option may not appear for every account type. Next, tap Accounts, then tap Balance, and choose Cash a Check. After that, enter the check amount and take a clear photo of the front and back of your check using your phone. Make sure the check is properly endorsed before you upload it, or the review may fail. Now, follow the prompts and choose how quickly you want to receive the money. PayPal says you can usually choose faster access for a fee or a slower option that may take about 10 days and can be free. Review the fee and timing on screen before you confirm. Once your check is submitted, PayPal reviews it. If it's approved, the money is added to your PayPal balance account. If you don't see the feature, update the app, check that your account is eligible, or contact PayPal support from the help section. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.